Hello, I'm Saviola Montero and I come from Bombay, India. I'm in New Zealand because I want to do my teaching course here. And why I chose New Zealand for it is the emphasis that New Zealand has on early childhood education is very different from where I come from. In India, we have a lot of focus on the academic skills of a child, and we kind of have like a one-size-fits-all approach. New Zealand, on the other hand, gives emphasis on early childhood as much as they would probably give in higher education. So that's something that I really liked about New Zealand. They look at the overall holistic development of a child. So that's something that I really like. So I've only been here 3 weeks, and something that I've noticed different from where I come from is Bombay is a really hustling city. And coming here, it's a little different. It's quite a relaxed life. You know, in Bombay, you're always on the go. That's something that's different out here. And maybe something in a childhood setting that I work at, how kids are treated here and how much they focus on play while you're learning. Something we don't really have much in India. So, like, we focus on writing a lot, and your kids are almost always outdoors as compared to India. Actually, we was very close to going with another agent, and then through a mutual friend, I got to know about Warren. And I met at his India office, and you know, I think I was there for about 2 or 3 hours, and that's when I kind of got the confidence that he's going to be the one. I'm in the right hands. Unlike a lot of other agents that I've met who were quite intimidating, I felt Warren was really there to help me. He was very tactful in his ways, and he genuinely wanted to get a student. He didn't want to get a student on board. It was more about helping and ensuring that the goals are met of that student. So that was very important for me. It only goes to show, you know, they truly live up to their vision and their values. So for me, that was very important. And Warren, on the other hand, like, I had a visa deadline and he was actually on vacation, but he was on endless calls with me and ensuring that everything is sorted for me. And the whole process was very stress-free. He handled everything. He saw roadblocks much before it could even be a problem, and it was solved. I look forward to seeing you in New Zealand.